Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. Happy New Year, guys. Mimi, say hello. Yeah, welcome to a new vlog, guys. So today's video is a sick day in our lives. In the city, in the interracial family life. Madam, off that thing. I love the Indians, but she's obsessed with Indian shots. So guys, madam is not feeling fine. She has flu, malaria, whatever. She's not feeling well. So I'm trying to nurture her back. Hobby Sam is not feeling well. Then they now pass everything to me. Now my throat hurts again and the rest. So I'll take you guys along in our daily activities. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you all so much for this massive support. We really do appreciate. Hobby is home. Today is Saturday, so it's like a Saturday day in our life. So right now I'm trying to make breakfast. To make breakfast like egg and bread mixed together. Egg and bread, yeah, that kind of vibe. Madam's own is here. And she's leave that fruit. Aya, open your mouth. Eat. Auntie beat you. Eat. Nene says you eat. So we're gonna see Nene. Eh? What do you want? Which chiton? You take your medicine now. Oh, your medicine, you drink it. Because it's good for your health. Okay. Stop shaking that thing. Stop shaking that thing. Yeah, stop shaking it. Alright, let's take the bitter one first. She's a good girl. It's bitter? Yes. Sorry. Okay, take the next one. It's bitter, so take this one. This one is nice. So, yucky. Yucky. Drink water. Okay. We are done. You come down now, eh? I'm gonna check our food. Mommy wants to check the food. Come down. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Go and meet Papa. Yes, I just finished giving Madam her medicine now, so I will give her bath with like warm water. I say warm water, hot water. Press her. Then I'm also going to this thing you put inside hot water. Steam. Yeah, I'm going to steam her as well. I'll go and buy that in our estate has like a pharmacy, so I'll go there and go and get it. I need to also get some tea for Hobby. Hobby wants some fruit tea, so I'll go and get that as well. So come along with us, loves. Let's go. Hello. Good morning. Yeah. No, this will not be big Mona again, no. She's still small. Eh? Yeah. Passion fruit, lemongrass, mix. Carry you and go away. So yes, I'll pick this one. What is it? No carry you. Come. Let's go and buy this thing. uh, you want juice? Take this one. Take this one. Nah. I'm not carrying you. No, you want Martina. Look at this picnic. Now Martina you want drink. You are not drink. I need the Benson Rootman switch or whatever. Ma, let's pay. So guys, we're out of the house and we are going out. I have some errands to run. Even if I'm not feeling fine, I have things to do. So I just need to do them today as it's a Saturday. And yeah, so I'm just taking baby girl with me because she likes following mommy up and down. So I'll see you all in the next clip, which is when we get to our destination. Yeah. Cool. No, Mama is one hand. Oh, that's messy. Sorry. Mama, wait. Oh my God, we are going to fall down. Hello. Hello. Okay, let me give my phone number. Okay. You cannot open it, let me open it for you. Okay, yeah, close. Come closer. Oh my God, this girl, you are growing like agriculture. You know what is agriculture? You are growing so fast. Sorry. New Year. How are you, baby? How are you? So fine. Down. Okay. You're going to fall me down, and when we fall down, that's it for us. Excuse me, please, where can I get pants for her? Yeah, baby. You need to buy you food. Still have food. And I'm burning at your lips. That's so innocent. And you'll kick it up. Oh, baby, oh. touch your head. That's all. Wait, I will get up. Yeah. So, love, this was a few hours later. I decided to make dinner for us to eat. Eating semo and oha soup. Okay, it was a hectic day. The sun in Abuja was terrible. Like, the sun in Abuja is becoming too much. I pray rain start falling. I beg. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. If you've watched this extent, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, and comment. Okay. Into the thick of it, yeah. Take a second, breathe it in. Now out again. Knockout in the New Year time. I still throwing knockout now.
Mama.
Wow.
Mama, I want yogurt.
You want yogurt?
Yes.
They are still throwing knockout. And it's not normal knockout. Pa, pa, pa. This one is that one that is bringing out this thing. Fireworks. Oh my god, I'm tired. So I got this ones for her new. So I want to wash it before she starts to wear it. That's the process of washing this clothes. If not, don't throw them in the washing machine. But I want to see. Ow! My head. Hey, don't hit my head. I want to see if they come on color. Hit my head the way they create YouTube video. YouTube, please increase my, what do they call that itself? I don't know what they call it, but I increase it. People don't know what I'm saying. I am creating content. I go hit my head. Don't I know with myself? Yeah, this one become more color. Yeah, see, good to know. Yes. What is it? Go back, there's water here. Now I go on the moving color.
Is my dog black?
Yes, your clothes. The red dress is removing color. This red one is removing color.
Color?
Yep, color. Okay, so you just only this red one that remove color. Yeah, it's removing color. Yeah. See, the color has changed. So guys, I'm done washing those clothes. I'm done for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I had to cut my nails so that one broke. I use an iron cut and cut all of them finish. Yeah, so I'll see you all in our next one. Okay, love. So bye guys. It has been a very what a day. Yeah, I just want to relax now and sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or next.